Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat connection error. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While logging into your Snapchat account, if you see this kind of an error message where it says connection error or could not connect, then the first thing to do is to check if you are connected to a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi by tapping on the Wi-Fi switch, or simply turn on your mobile data, and once you find the best connection, your problem should be fixed. If it still does not work, try turning on your flight mode, wait for at least 30 seconds and turn off your flight mode again. Wait until your device gets connected to an internet, and as soon as it does, open up Snapchat app and see if that fixes the issue. If that does not work, simply close off your Snapchat application from running in the background and tap Open Settings from your Android device. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, search for Snapchat. Tap Snapchat as soon as you find it and tap Force Stop at the bottom right. Tap on OK in the pop-up displayed at the bottom and you'll be able to force stop Snapchat application. Go back to App Drawer and relaunch the application by giving it a tap. Once you're logged in back to your Snapchat app, your problem should be fixed. If that does not work for you, then head over to the next step. Check for available updates for your Snapchat application if it's got any. To do that, tap Open Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type in Snapchat. Perform your search. And if you see an open button right next to Snapchat app, it means that you've already updated your Snapchat application. If you see an update button, tap on update and get the latest version of Snapchat. Once the update is complete, you'll be able to see an open button. Give it a tap to launch the app open. After updating your application, your connection issue should be fixed. If that still does not work, you could also try updating your software. Simply go and tap Open Settings from your Android phone. From the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see Software Update button and tap it on. Tap on Download and Install button at the top of the screen, and once the download is ready, tap on Install Now in order to update your software. Once you've updated your Android software, go back to Snapchat app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some troubleshooting methods you could follow while your Snapchat application is going through connection error. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.